What's up everyone, it's Miles with SellerAmp. In today's video we're going to tell you exactly how to find your first $1,000 in profit to sell on Amazon this month. How to fulfill items, how to find them, how we love to consistently find profitable items in my own business that makes over 20 grand a month net profit. So stick around for the whole video and let's find some profitable items. What we're going to be doing in this video to find the first couple profitable items that you can actually go ahead and sell on Amazon, show you the methodology behind it, how we like to do it, is called reverse sourcing, where we're going to use our tool SellerAmp to look inside the stores of other sellers using what's called storefront search to find profitable items. Basically identify, okay, what are successful sellers selling? And now we got to go out and look for those items profitably, right? On stuff. And what we'd recommend doing this month is just merchant fulfilling items. What you'll mostly see us talking about on our channel is Amazon FBA, but this time of year, there's what you can really make some good money using what's called Amazon FBM, or fulfilling items directly to customer. You can do that. It's just not as effective the other 11 months of the year, but this time of year when people stop sending in as many FBA shipments, the competition goes down on different items, the price goes up as demand goes up for the holidays. There's a ton of opportunity with FBM. So we're going to be looking at a lot of shoes. I'm going to estimate about a $10 shipping cost in these in terms of getting it directly to the customer, and just starting out with the basic Nike sneaker search on Amazon right here. So now we want to find a couple items that have a bunch of reviews right here. Like anything over like 1,000 is a pretty high amount right there. So like 7,500. Take a look at those right here. Let's see. These look great. 1,500 right there as well. And then 6,800 right there. So we're going to take a look at these right here and see. Okay, so coming to a shoe right here. By the way, if you're looking to get ungated in Nike, you can do it via eastbay.com. We're on to see most retailers work Nike.com as well. The receipt and invoice will go ahead and work. But Amazon doesn't necessarily tell us which of these sizes, colors sells the quickest, but we need to identify that, which we can but do so using Keepa, going right down here to variations and going right here. And now I'd recommend configuring your columns within Keepa similar to mine, that you can filter by buy box price and filter by ratings top to bottom right here to find the quickest selling ones right there. So these right here, we can see there's 29 sellers, and this is going disproportionately high right here, and that it has 330 total ratings overall, right, which is the second most in the entire listing, but it's also going for a lot more money right here in terms of the buy box price than the other ones that are up at the top of this list right here. So we can check out this white 9.5 that's buy boxing for $85 right here. We can click into this. Oops, click the wrong thing right there. We can click in here. And now we can see, so this buy box price is 83 right here. And then in terms of getting going with the reverse search, I'm going to go on SellerAmp right here, scroll down on the right, down here to the offers tab, and we can see all these sellers that are FBA right here. So these, now I'm going to actually go ahead and open up all of these, and we're going to be able to take a look inside their store and see what else we can find from it. So some sellers like to worry about their review counts of people they're opening up. Personally, I'll just open up everyone that's FBA. That shows up on the first page right here. And then in terms of actually going ahead and calculating this, so the profit calculator will see right here within SellerAmp is FBA. You can scroll down here on the right, down here to the profit calculator, and do it, toggle it FBA to FBM. This being a shoe, it's going to ship for around $10 on average, because if we scroll up here, we can see that the weight is about 2 pounds, which is going to ship right around $10 in terms of, like, if it's going to, across the country from where you are, it might be as high as 12. If it's going to a really close neighboring state, it might be like 8 or 9. But we can average that at 10 just for the sake of example right here. And then, so yeah, we see that this item right here, we can see on the Keepa, the price is going up as of the past couple weeks. The competition is going down. And we can see that if we can pay like in the range of like 45, 40 for these guys, it's going to be a profitable item right here. And there's a decent chance this goes for more in December as well. So we can just hit Google right here, and we can hop in here and see, okay, where can we find this item right here? Let's see, so 52 at Dick's Sporting Goods right here. Check that out. Let's see, okay, so scrolling up right here, we can see, okay, so this is going for 52 on Dick's Sporting Goods. What's nice too is that you can actually use this 10% off code down here. That should work on an item that's on sale, where you can enter in your email and get it right there. And let's see, okay, so do they have a 9.5 in the white ones? Aha, low in stock. Oh, only one available, but they do have it. So take off 52 minus 48, or 52 minus 10% becomes 48 right here. I don't love that. The ROI is a little bit low in my opinion, especially if you have sales tax, but we can see as of the past couple of days, these are buy box as high as 85, and that competition is trending down. So there is a decent chance these get above 90, and then we can look on the Keepa and see over time if these have gotten higher in the past too. Oh, they totally have. Yeah, okay. So is there a decent chance these hit 90 in December? There definitely is, right? And then it'll be 18 bucks profit fees, maybe a little less depending on your sales tax situation on that. But either way, right? Whether or not that's profitable, though there's a good chance that does end up being profitable, especially if you're watching this mid-December, I would definitely go check this listing. We have a bunch of storefronts open right here, which we can see in the storefront search feature within SellerAmp now, which we got from that first initial item, right? So we can go ahead and filter into brands we like to carry, categories we like to carry. Over here, what I'll typically do is I like to filter by brand in there, and then we can scroll through and look for really low sales ranks right here. So me personally, especially for a beginner, I'd recommend staying under like a 50K sales rank on that. So we can see 4K, right? We can take a look at that. 5K right here. Let's see, 10K, that looks good. Hop onto some other storefronts right here. Let's see, so we're mainly looking at Nike sneakers in this video, so 4K, we can take a look at that. Let's see, and the nice thing is, like, if someone has a decent review count, you know they're making money, so there's going to be other stuff you can go ahead and look for. So it's like a never-ending loop and kind of self-fulfilling prophecy of just looking, okay, does this have a low sales rank? All right, let me go look for it. Can find it, can't find it, regardless. On that, and then what you do with these items is you just order them, get them listed FBM ASAP, and get that rocking and rolling right there. Let's see. So 3K, we already looked at those. Let me go down, load more, get some of these out of here. But we're basically just aggregating listings that we know make sense based on the sales rank and that. And then we'll go ahead, try to find the quickest selling variations, and then go out and look for those quickest selling variations profitably and most expensive variations right here. All right, let's see what we got. So right here, 4K on these guys. Let's hop into the variations tab right here. All right, and then we can see, okay, so the quickest selling one is these black and white size 10, which is going for 100. We can also filter top to bottom by price and then see that these still have at least like 10, 20 reviews. So I am going to take a look at these so we can see what we got. 188 is expensive for these. Seriously, have these gone up in the past? Oh, okay. So yeah, relatively. There was a lot of supply, looks like, earlier this year. If we go to the all 270 days right there. So let's see. I mean, if we can pay anywhere around like 100, it's going to be a nice profitable item right here. I think these are called the Free Run 2018, so we can add that in. And we need black and white, black and white. Let's see. Does Nike.com have the black on black as well? Okay, they don't. All right, so that is annoying. But we're not going to expect to find all of them. See, and then a black size 10 is going for 100. This is the quickest selling one. And it makes sense that a size 10 would be doing the best. Okay, 70. Yeah, so at 80 bucks, we would lose $5, which is obviously not the goal. I'm going to pass on this item right here. And these guys. See, right? So hop in the variations. We can see these are a 5K BSR, which is fantastic. We can see the weight. Yeah, but right about 2 pounds is going to ship right in that range. Right here. Let's see. All right, so black and white 12.5, black and white 10.5, up at 90 with decent review counts. All right, it's looking like we got a winner right here. 8% cash back on Rakuten as well, which is awesome. Right there, we're paying 55. Let's see, so they have a 10.5. Okay, 10.5 is currently sold out, but either way, say that was in stock. 56, 14 bucks profit a piece. Let's see, is there a decent chance these go higher as well? Yeah, especially, yeah, for sure, right? There's only 2 sellers on it right here. Yeah, right? They're very close to that being like 95 and even higher, depending on those guys sell out. And being FBM, it gives you a lot of flexibility and that you could order it today and get it in really quick and get it listed. All right, let's check some of these others though. What do they have in stock? Okay, so I got like a 13. Check. Okay, 13's out of stock. 13, what about 14 right here? 68, okay, that's very low. So obviously gonna pass on that. Some of these less expensive ones. 87 into 55, definitely not gonna make sense. Right there, we can see if we scroll down here, there has been some buy box share even higher in the past, and the competition is pretty low. I would say anything below like 10 sellers is pretty low competition, a trend of like 10, 15, 20 sellers over time. So like, let's say there's a decent chance if you listed these at 90, like 92 in December that they would sell right here. We can add in like that $10 shipping right there. Say these get as high as 95 right there, then it'd be 16 bucks profit per unit. So that's definitely could be a winner depending on when you're watching this video. And that's really the game, guys. It's just hopping through, finding good listings, then going out and looking for those listings profitably across the internet. There's a bunch of ways in that we're not going to get too much into in this video of getting your buy cost lower, which is where a lot of the money is in terms of getting your buy cost lower via loyalty rewards, different coupons, a lot of which can be found on Google just searching like Foot Locker coupons, Nike.com coupons. There's discounted gift cards. You can use Rakuten, which is right up here. It's the R. You can see right there, Rakuten on that, as well as a high rewards credit card really helps on that. Typically, the big lever movers are coupons and sales. Like, for example, on Black Friday, there were a ton of sales to go after that really make it a lot more effective as you go, and you kind of pick up on more and more of those over time. Right here. So let's look through a couple more listings. Right. Whoa. 195 right here. Sold out, but that would have made sense at 100 right there. That would have been 50 bucks profit a unit. And that's the thing, if you look at this in the future, that might be back in stock, so I would definitely check it. Right here, black 14, extra wide's probably gonna be a little hard to find, but it is selling for above 100. So we can see if we can pay in like the $50, $55 range. Ooh, look at that stability too. Cool. Super stable price action right there. All right, we got a 14 extra wide right here. All right, we do right there. Cool. 55, yep, 56 right there, going for 107, 27 bucks profit a piece. Looks good. 8% cash back as well. Let's see, let's look at a couple more of these guys right here. And that's the nice thing is like we've literally only looked at stuff from like 2 stores right now so far. That was literally just found from a super basic Amazon search. Let's see, white, 29, 30 bucks. We can pay like 15 for these. All right, let's see what we got. Small. 16 into 29 right here is, yeah, 3 bucks profit a piece. I don't love that. It is trending in the right direction though, and that is there. Like we can look down here and see the supply. Like if these get up to 31, like if you look at these in the future and it's 31, then it's 5 bucks profit a piece. It's definitely close on that. And then let's look at these last 2 listings right here. Okay, a backpack. Competition's trending, not super trending down, but it definitely is trending down right here. But got to pay like 20 on this. Yeah, okay, 55 is definitely not going to make sense. Right there, yeah, not liking that. And then these slides. And yeah, so the BSR on these guys is 2K, so that's really good. All right here, let's see 35 right there. 37, black, white. Cool, okay, so we can get these in like the $15 range. So totally makes sense. Amazon being on it a little bit doesn't scare me right there. See, now these guys had a 25% off code for Black Friday, so if you take off 20% of this, it totally would have made sense. At a $15, whatever, it ends up being like $15.5 if it was 21 right there. So that totally would have made sense during Black Friday on that. But that's the thing, is that the more you do this, the more opportunities you start to see like that. Black Friday sales. There'll be a lot of holiday sales as well. Be on the lookout on any of the websites we looked at in this video as well. We could see that clearly a lot of these people we were looking at were buying from Nike.com and a lot of these flagship like Nike and Adidas retail stores and everything like that. So thank you guys for watching. Get after it. Merch is feeling such a good opportunity this month. Just getting stuff in, getting it off directly to the customer really quick. Get a free trial of SellerAmp if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.